Today we are making the Kardashians' favorite pizza, which is basically just a margarita pizza. Where did I see that this was their favorite pizza? I don't know. It was off some website. They said in some interview that their margarita pizza was their favorite pizza. Not all the Kardashians, however. This is Kendall Jenner and Khole Kardashian's favorite pizza. Okay? So we're gonna do that today, and then we're gonna finish it off with little peanut brittle action homemade. It's actually microwavable peanut brittle that I found online, so we're gonna try that out. Now, I've actually never made a true margarita pizza, so this is gonna be a first, and it's gonna be fun. We're gonna first put some flour down on our workspace for the dough. You know how it be. Oh yeah, that just got everywhere. I didn't even need that. Okay, actually, before that, preheat the oven. All right, so you preheat the oven to 450. I have the dough in here. This is just normal store-bought dough. One day, we're gonna be making our own dough, our own sauce, everything. Might even around and buy a goat for the cheese, who knows. Anyhow, this is our dough. All right, and we're gonna make about this size pizza. I think this is a 12-inch. And I don't wanna use too much flour. I forgot the other stuff that you use for dough. All right, we're gonna try to roll this out a little bit. See, the other seeds, it's a mind of its own, man. You know, I think we're gonna put this one back in the fridge and let's try the other one. Let's try the other dough, because I got two, but this dough is gonna be different. Maybe that was the problem, I wasn't delicate enough. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, this dough is way better. This is gonna be better than the last one. You know, this is all a learning process for right now. And once we get it kind of laid out on the pan, it should be better. Okay, hopefully we can stretch this to this. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, so we got the dough down. That's good. That is good. Next, we're gonna get some olive oil. Okay, we're gonna put some olive oil in here, just a little bit. Then we're gonna take our fingers and dip it in there. We're gonna put the olive oil around the crust. It's gonna make the dough cook nice and rise a little bit, I think. I think that's how it works. Okay, now we add the sauce. Sauce time. Now this is also just, everything here is just store-bought. Store-bought sauce. Mix this up a little bit. I'm gonna put some on. Now, margarita pizza, I think I'm gonna do like medium sauce because there's not gonna be that much on it. And give a nice thin crust. We're gonna put more sauce on it though. I kind of want to just get an outline. Nice and thin crust, nice. Put some over there. Oh, spilling everywhere. Put some over there. Oh yeah, beautiful. You like your pizza with extra sauce? Okay, here we go, just for you. We'll put a little bit more sauce. All right, we got the mozzarella. Gonna cut this into semi-thick slices. These knives are so dull. All right, we got a good amount so far. Maybe we'll see one more how that will do. All right, let's see. We are going to throw these on. Okay, did I not cut a perfect amount? Come on. I mean, I think that's pretty much it for the pizza portion. So we're gonna throw this in the oven. One last look at it. That's it. It's going in the oven now. So we're gonna put that in there for about 15 minutes. But we do got some nice fresh basil that's kind of swooping down or whatever. But what's next? We are going to do the peanut brittle. Now, this peanut brittle recipe that I found, it's for microwavable brittle. Microwavable peanut brittle. Okay. So we're gonna try it out. First things first is to clean the workstation. I don't want flour in my peanut brittle. I'm not that type of guy. We got sugar. We need like corn syrup, peanuts, butter, baking soda, and vanilla extract. Well, this is the only cookie sheet that I really got. So we're gonna take one of these. We're gonna butter this guy up. Butter, 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 butter. I guess it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna end up breaking it. The main ingredient is literally microwave. Actually, like, all right, we need a bowl. I mean, I have this. Okay, so we're gonna do sugar and corn syrup. Oh, that is a lot of sugar. I'm wondering, I feel like I shouldn't put this in here then. Is there a different glass bowl? I mean, this is the only glass bowl I got. We'll just try this. Corn syrup. How much corn syrup? Half a cup. I hate these seals. I hate them. All right, we're gonna mix in half a cup of the light corn syrup. Wow, this stuff is thick. This is thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Wow, that is crazy. Okay, half a cup. Oh, got on me. Okay, I think that's all we're gonna get out of that. Okay, so it says combine, so I'm gonna mix this together a little bit. I'm just gonna use a knife, butter knife for this. Wow, this is crazy. That's a crazy consistency. It's like ice almost, like shaved ice. That's what it looks like. We got this. It is thick. So one of the reviews recommended that you put 30 seconds less on each time because of microwaves and how they are now. That's too much watts. So this says microwave on high 4 minutes. So we're gonna do 3.5 minutes. Okay, that's going. 1 cup salted peanuts. Okay, so a cup. We just got regular roasted and salted peanuts. I kind of want to chop up half of these, like a little bit more than what they are right now. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, I want to check the pizza. That pizza's looking kind of crazy. It's good though. Okay, I think we're just gonna take maybe that. Maybe mix these up a little bit. Why did this light just go out? Hello? Wait. It didn't. What light? Am I tripping? Okay, that is fully microwaved. Marvin. Thank you. Marvin, your tail.
Hello?
Can you move your tail, please? Thank you. Okay, so we got this going. Okay, we're gonna mix the peanuts in. Wow, this is gonna be crazy. This is so thick. So we got the peanuts mixed in. Now we're gonna do what this recipe calls for and put it in the microwave for another 3 minutes. The pizza's looking great. Then stir in butter and vanilla. Okay, 1 teaspoon butter. Okay, we got our teaspoon of butter right here. That I am gonna actually throw in the microwave as well. That is the timer for the pizza. You know, the mozzarella slices might have been a little bit too big, but it's okay. We're gonna actually give the pizza a couple more minutes. Vanilla, how much vanilla? A teaspoon. Got our brand new vanilla extract. Actually, maybe I'll take the pizza out now. All right. Here it is, just coming out of the oven. It's a little greasy, I think the cheese slices were a little big, but this looks great. So what we are gonna do to finish this off is just take a few basil leaves, wash these off real quick. I'm gonna lightly dry these off. There we go. And then we are going to put some basil, some fresh basil. Bam! So this right here is the Kardashians' favorite pizza, the old-fashioned margarita pizza. Pretty basic, I know, but it came out pretty good. Now we'll let this cool off for a second and then we will come back to try it. Oh! Microwave might have blown up a little bit. Oh, that is not ideal. That is not ideal at all, but we're still gonna do this. Look at that. It got everywhere. It's okay though. It is okay. Okay, but what I am gonna do is stick this butter in there for a couple seconds. Just so that kind of melts. We got 1 teaspoon right here. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in. And let's get that butter. Hopefully that didn't blow up everywhere. Nope, the butter is perfect. Marvin! Whoa, that is rumbling together. What is happening? I feel like this is gonna blow up. After a teaspoon of butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, we're gonna put it back into the microwave for the final minute that it's gonna be in a microwave. Now this time around, we're gonna watch it like a hawk so it doesn't blow up on us. I'm watching it. I am watching it. Oh, it got close. Here we are. So we're going to do a teaspoon of baking soda. So we got our trusty baking soda right here. And we are going to grab a teaspoon of it. There's the teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're gonna mix this up until it's a little creamy and foamy. Oh, just like that. Oh, this is looking fire. Perfect. Okay. Now we got our baking sheet. Does look pretty good, huh? Baking sheet. And now we're gonna spread this thin. Get it all out. This stuff is so thick. Oh, that's already hardening. Holy. Okay, I think that is spread out thin enough. That looks kind of gross right now. But just wait. So I don't know how long you're supposed to wait for this to fully harden. It shouldn't take that long because of how hard it got. Okay, this is gonna dry. Alright, we're gonna try this pizza. Ta-da! I want to cut it right here. It's a little greasy, but a little grease never hurt. You know, not as thin as I kind of originally wanted it. And a little too much cheese. But it is okay. Very floppy. Because of how greasy it is.
One bite, everyone knows the rules.
Cheese is coming off. Ah! Mm. That's hot, but busting. Busting. Kardashians know what's good.
Okay, I'll try a bite of this. I'm gonna be brutally honest though.
It's just too greasy. Besides the grease though, it's really good. This is egg. This is egg. He followed you on Twitch. You should stream.
Oh, what? Appreciate it. You didn't even meet me.
Alright, good.
It's good.
Busting or busting?
Busting.
Alright, testing this. Okay, it's definitely getting... Oh yeah. Oh, this is almost done.
2 hours later.
Alright, screw it, it's ready. Screw it. That's completely cooled. Okay, so now I guess we just break it. Cover your ears. That was nice. Oh yeah. At home peanut brittle. Microwavable peanut brittle. Made solely in the microwave. Yo, that's pretty busting. For microwavable peanut brittle, busting. There's something about it though. Might be the peanuts that they're roasted too. It's the aftertaste. Yeah. I think it's the roasted peanuts. Yeah. Here's our peanut brittle and our pizza that we made. Kind of fire. Kind of fire.